I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After widespread highs in the 60s today and some gusty northwest winds in west and central Nebraska this afternoon, our highs tomorrow cool to around 50 in behind a Pacific cold front. There are slight chances of rain and snow tomorrow afternoon through the evening with low pressure tracking across the southern plains. Forecast models, though, continue to keep any rain and snow from I-80 on into Kansas. Weekend highs drop into the 40s. Monday is slightly warmer with highs in the upper 40s to the mid-50s. A cold front dropping our highs into the 40s for Tuesday and Wednesday. Any cool down is short-lived. Nebraska and Kansas temperatures are likely to be warmer than normal Tuesday through the last full day of fall on December 20th. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation Tuesday through December 20th indicated to be below normal. Checking the regional drought monitor, Nebraska remains at 60% drought-free. Drought-free conditions to abnormal dryness found across much of the west and central and the northeast corner. A small area along and east of a line from St. Paul to east of Kearney, Minden, and Red Cloud, along with much of eastern Nebraska, are locked in moderate to severe drought. Extreme to exceptional drought coverage continues to be at 11% of Nebraska, including east central locations along and east of a line from Fullerton to Grand Island, Hastings, and Superior. Kansas increased a percentage point to 11% drought-free with drought-free to abnormally dry conditions in the west to the south of I-70, much of the south central and the southeast corner. Most of the rest of Kansas locked in moderate to severe drought. Extreme to exceptional drought coverage dropped a percentage point to 7% of Kansas and includes areas from Stockton to Russell and Beloit, Rice County to northern Reno County, and Chautauqua to southeast Montgomery County towards the southeast. Key weather factors driving the markets include not overly cold temperatures this weekend in parts of the U.S. and good enough rains for Argentina and central Brazil. A storm tracks across the nation's midsection the next couple of days. Rain along the storm's trailing cold front becomes heavy, totaling 1 to 3 inches this weekend, mostly along and east of a line from the Mississippi Delta to the lower Great Lakes. Thunderstorms near the front may become severe, especially Saturday in the lower Mississippi Valley and nearby areas. Accumulating snow tomorrow is possible across the northern plains and upper Midwest. Cooler weather trails the cold front, but temperatures will not be unusually cold for this time of year. Mostly dry weather prevails the next 5 days from Southern California to the southern plains. In central Brazil, rain coverage continues to be below normal, but amounts are mostly sufficient for developing soybeans. Southern Brazil may see a more extended break from heavy rain next week, but it may not last long enough. Towards Argentina, rain amounts are likely to be spottier than previous weeks, and some areas are likely to miss out. Crop weather in Argentina, though, remains mostly favorable for planting and developing corn and soybeans. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.